Oh, no. It's the Holocaust.
Young ones, darling, we're the young ones. The young ones shouldn't be afraid.
Morning has broken. Lucky I didn't sleep through the alarm or we'd have missed half the day. Oh. Thanks for telling me about the new hole, guys. Hello, kitchen. Hello, hello. My name's Neil. But don't bother remembering it, because I'll probably soon be dead anyway. Great. Wow. It's as if the kettle's killed itself rather than be used by me. Look, guys, there's some dinner on the floor if you want it. I think it'd be cool if I just died, right? Sorry, Biff. I haven't got 6 pairs of hands, you know. I wish I had, but I haven't. Oh, wow, I have. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Rick, look at you, man. You're gonna freak. Come and look, Rick. Come and look at this. You're gonna freak. I've got 6 pairs of hands. I'm Krishna.
Dear, oh dear, you'd do anything to try and impress me, wouldn't you, Neil? Where's Vivian?
I suppose it's because I'm so mind-numbingly boring that I never get to meet any interesting people. Can you two guys stop hustling each other? I'm getting really bored with it, all right?
Oh, dear me! Poor old Neil's getting bored. The most boring person in the whole world's finally getting a taste of his own medicine.
Yeah, I'm not into violence, Rick, but I'm really good at smash your faces. Oh, God.
Neil, have you given that black water? What is that little white dot?
It's a little white dot.
Oh, very clever.
Must be really old telly.
What, hippie?
It's a sign, that little white dot. It means something really heavy. It means there's no more telly. It's time to go to bed. Flares are coming back in. I read it in my horoscope.
I just don't see why it has to be me who gets a job.
Well, it can't be me. I lead an alternative lifestyle. Hello. Would you like a cup of herbal tea? I won't say anything, because no one ever listens to me anyway. It might as well be a Leonard Cohen record. Summer is a bummer.
Oh, God, Neil, you're such a killjoy, aren't you? Hey, everyone, I bet I know what Neil writes in public lavatories. Look out, Killjoy was here.
You all really hate me, don't you?
Yeah. Yes, we do, Neil. That is when we can remember who you are. Thingamajig.
Clothes, Neil.
I think I better just go upstairs and lie down for a bit, actually.
God, I hate him. He's a bore, he's a drip, he's a snake, and he's a bloody eavesdropper.
I heard that, Rick. Oh, no. What? I'm going to sneeze, Rick.
Neil, no.
I am. I always do.
No.
I do.
Have a bang of this number, mate.
Did you see that?
Neil! I was watching that, you selfish bastard!
Oh, wow. It's my bike. I was wondering where that was.
Vegetable rights and peace.